Oh, hello there. I'm going to teach you the basics about kayaking today. So once after you've gotten into kayak and situated your seat to make sure that it conforms to your back and to make sure that you're not too far forwards or too far back, to make sure that's comfortable, you got to paddle. So the easiest way to paddle, you stick one side of the paddle in, twist your torso to the right and push back with the paddle. Then you insert your left paddle in to the water about 3/4 of the way down. You don't want to just give it a top and paddle. This is what it looks like to paddle. Just like that. It's quite simple. Now, if you want to stop, simply place both paddles in and paddle in the opposite direction and you will come to a stop. To turn, all you have to do is paddle with just one paddle. Paddle with your left paddle to turn to the right. Paddle with your right paddle to turn to the left. It's as simple as that. And you see I'm stopping myself by just putting the paddle in the water and paddling in the opposite direction. It's as simple as that. Have fun kayaking.